In 2023, we went on holiday in Tenerife Costa Adeje. We booked 3 hours Maxicat catamaran cruise. I found this activity on Get Your Guide page. Our cruise was for 2 adults and 1 child and cost us £80. We didn't know what to expect really. We only knew that we will be seeing some whales and dolphins and having some food and going for a little dip. So before trip I took a sickness tablet, and I think that was a brilliant decision. I am prone to any sickness on boats or ferries, so that was a must-have. It's important to take it sometime before your journey so it works right. There was also time for a dip. We didn't get too close to the shore. It was around 7 meters deep where we stopped. Initially I thought to take Miles with me in the water, but after checking how choppy it was, I decided to keep Miles safely on the boat. He was not happy about it, but I felt like his and mine swimming skills are not good enough for both of us to be in the water. Food was very basic and of poor quality, I'm afraid. We had no vegetarian option. You have to tell them ahead of time if you would like vegetarian, so we only had some chips and drink. To be honest, we didn't expect amazing feast, but it would be nice to have a decent meal. So many floaty bits in the water. It was scary. Temperature was just perfect, so lovely to cool off gently, but oh my goodness, I was petrified of any creatures in that water. Overall, it was very relaxing and fun experience. Water was such a calming effect and the views were amazing. We really enjoyed chilling on the net, and this is the one that we're gonna remember.